Right, 2023 Subaru Ascent. Let's change the air filter. I can't remember which one's which because I'm changing a couple here, but let's see how this looks. Should be right in here, so let's take a look inside. I removed all the junk that was in here. It looks like there's something here that we're gonna loose, and then I feel like I think you just press these in. Yeah, it looks like you just press them in. So let me press that one, then that one. Yeah. Oh, then it just comes right down. And similar to other Subarus, here we have this. Okay, so it seemed like it went in there like that. We're gonna make sure we put that back. The hooks are gonna be down, and let's pull this bad boy out. Yeah, looks real dirty. Very dirty. All right, that way is up. That's always the hard part. So that way's up. Let's remember that. Easy enough. Ooh, that's real dirty. So let's figure out which is the right one. I'll put a link to the Amazon part in the description. All right, so it is this promo, and it's a 2-pack. Model CAF 157. So pretty good deal, and you get 2 of them. So let's open it up. You know what, this one has charcoal. This is actually kind of nice. This is very nice. So the only thing is airflow, right? Remember, airflow goes that way. Alright, so that one's gonna go up. Let me double check that. Okay, so the only thing that was confusing is airflow is actually on the way down. Even though this says that's up, the airflow is actually, if you look at this, if you look inside here, that's where all the particles are. So in other words, it's being sucked here, and this is grabbing it. So while this one says up, the airflow is going through here. So this new one, we want to make sure that it's just facing down, okay? And this one's a lot thicker, and it's got charcoal, and this one's going to be, this is way better. So, not a bad brand. So let's put that back in there. And it fits smoothly. Alright, let's get the little door. Alright, then the door goes in. Goes at the top first, and then it should just, if it goes in, yep, there it is, just nice and snaps in. All right, let's put this back up. All right, you see this just snaps in right there, right here and here. After it snaps in, this will just slide in there with a little push. Put this back on, and voila. So pretty easy. Hope that helps. Change out the cabin filter. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Have a great rest of your day.